Why did 8,000 developers start this project in a single night? Because it finally stops AI from generating boring generic slop. Hi, I'm Jason and I'll be your host today. We've got a massive lineup from the GitHub trending charts that reflects exactly where the industry is heading right now. Everything today is about the agentic era. We are moving from simple chatbots to autonomous systems that actually understand the context of what we are building. I've picked out 8 repositories that are genuinely pushing the boundaries. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is Taste Skill by Leonxlnx. This is a collection of portable agent skills designed to stop AI from making everything look like a basic Bootstrap template. It focuses on layout, typography, and motion. It's blowing up because we're all tired of the generic AI look. It already has over 42,000 stars total. The wild part? You can use it to generate reference boards for mobile or brand kits, then hand those frames directly to tools like Claude Code or Cursor. Why does this matter? Because it bridges the gap between high-end design and raw AI generation. It's basically a taste transplant for your LLM. If you are tired of vibe coding and getting back uninspired buttons, this is the skill set you need to inject into your next development session. Next, we have markitdown from the team at Microsoft. This is a slick Python utility specifically built to convert messy Office documents into clean markdown. It handles PDFs, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. It even does OCR for images and transcription for audio. It's built by the same team behind AutoGen. It's sitting at a massive 151,000 stars. It's trending now because local LLMs need structured data to actually be useful. A surprising detail is how it preserves tables and links. Most converters just turn them into a chaotic mess that makes no sense to an AI. Use this whenever you need to feed your local RAG system a bunch of old enterprise documents without losing the important structure and context. Third on the list is CopilotKit. This is the front-end stack for anyone building generative UI. It works with React, Angular, and even mobile platforms. They are the makers of the AGUI protocol. This project is all about shared state and human-in-the-loop workflows for agentic applications. It got over 2,700 stars this week alone. It's the go-to tool for developers who want their AI to actually interact with the app. What makes it special? It allows you to build sidebars and canvas actions that feel native to your code instead of a tacked-on chat window. I'd use this to build a Pro Tools dashboard where the AI can actually toggle switches and move elements around based on a user's natural language. Now let's talk about Goose. This project just moved to the Linux Foundation. It's an open source, extensible AI agent that runs on your local machine. It goes way beyond simple code suggestions. Goose can install packages, execute scripts, edit files, and run tests independently across your entire system. It's written in Rust for speed and safety. With nearly 50,000 stars, it's becoming the standard for developers who want a local, private agent. The surprising detail is that it's not just for code. It has built-in tools for research, data analysis, and general automation workflows. Think of it as your pair programmer that actually has permission to fix the tests and deploy the fix while you grab a coffee. This next one is fascinating. Career Ops by Santifer. It's an AI-powered job search system built specifically on top of Claude Code. The creator was tired of companies using AI to filter him out, so he built an AI to help him choose and apply to the companies. It features 14 different skill modes and a Go dashboard for tracking. It generates PDFs and handles batch processing of applications automatically. It's captured over 53,000 stars total. The wild part is the interview prep mode that studies the job description to grill you beforehand. If you are on the job hunt, this is a must-have. It levels the playing field against the automated hiring systems used by big tech companies. 6 on our list is codegraph by colbymchenry. This creates a pre-indexed knowledge graph of your local codebase for your favorite AI agents. It supports Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini, and more. It claims to make AI tasks 16% cheaper and use 58% fewer tool calls. It's 100% local and just released version 1.0. It gained an incredible 46,000 stars this month. That is absolutely massive growth. Why use it? Because instead of the AI hunting for files, it already knows the semantic relationships between every function and class in your project. This is perfect for working on legacy codebases where the file structure is a nightmare. It gives the AI a map before it even starts. Following that theme is Understand Anything. This project turns codebases or documentation into interactive knowledge graphs that you can actually talk to. It's all about graphs that teach rather than just graphs that look impressive. It helps you explore and search complex information visually. It just crossed 58,000 stars. It works flawlessly with almost every major AI CLA tool, including the Gemini CLI and Claude Code. The surprising detail here is the focus on memory and business knowledge, aiming to help people understand systems rather than just replacing the developers. I'd use this for onboarding a new team member. Hand them the graph and let them ask questions to find where the business logic is hidden. Finally, we have MoneyPrinterTurbo. This is a high-speed AI tool for generating short-form videos with just a single click. You provide a theme or keyword, and it handles the script, footage, subtitles, and background music to create a complete 180p video. It is sitting at 86,000 stars and saw nearly 30,000 new ones this month. The automation community is losing their minds over this. How does it work? It uses MoviePy under the hood and hooks into various LLMs to coordinate the entire creative process automatically. If you are looking to scale a TikTok or YouTube Shorts channel with niche content, this repo is basically a content factory in a box. A huge thank you to all the contributors who make these amazing tools possible. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.